Amaziasizamoria Jumail, a PhD student at Cardiff University and a research officer at the Danau Girang Field Center based in Kinabatangan, Sabah. 3 interesting things you need to know about my research. Biodiversity recovery. Forest restoration efforts not only focus on planting trees, but to restore the entire ecosystem. Carbon sequestration. Forest restoration plays an important role in mitigating climate change by removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Socio-economic benefits. Forest restoration projects bring numerous socio-economic benefits to local communities. I love spending time in nature, watching wildlife, and engaging in outdoor activities. I hope this attachment will expose me to novel methods which enhance my work in Borneo, and finally, I can come up with a replicable reforestation model that can be used by everyone.
Hi, my name is Ying. I am a certified diver and I really enjoy diving and snorkeling. I find a deep sense of connection with nature when I'm surrounded by the fish and marine creatures. However, according to research, there will be more plastics than fish in the ocean by 2050. I managed to transform the plastic waste into energy and useful chemicals. So traditionally, it requires 100 to 1,000 years for non-biodegradable plastics to decompose. But with our technology, we can shorten the process to just 5 days.
My name is Masni, anak perempuan Mak Dong, and I'm proud to introduce myself as the representative of the Jakun tribes. Poverty is not a choice, it is a birth sentence. How can the spatial justice of the indigenous populations is actually contribute to the equality of the distributions of resources of orang asli in Malaysia? For orang asli, multidimensional poverty can be measured from a different perspective, such as the living standards, the education level, and the healthcare service. By combining the spatial justice and multidimensional poverty, we are able to address the multidimensional poverty problem that faced by the orang asli itself. So I would like to provide a better policy for an indigenous population in Malaysia.
Hi, I'm Chuan, an environmental soil scientist. I'm very passionate about soil, as soil is the basis of life. Without soil, we can't produce our nutritious foods. And because of that, I work in the field of soil pollution and bioremediation. My project is about phytoremediations. The word phyto derived from the Greek words means plants, and remediation simply means remedy or to clean up. Most people assume that the land are fertile and safe to be used without knowing that some part of it could be contaminated. Phytoremediation is also a simple, cost-effective and environmentally friendly approach to restore soil health. I hope that I could explore best management practices that could be applied back into Malaysia following to the nature-based solution approach.
I'm Syaza Soraya Sauli, and all of you can call me Syaza. I love to observe people. No, I can't read people's mind, but I love to observe, especially children, to know how their interactive nature can help them to develop emotionally, socially, and also cognitively. My research focusing on nature-based learning, educational psychology, and also early years development. I will go into University of Minnesota dulu to do my research attachment to develop a comprehensive module to help our young generation in a very beautiful way to see the nature and also the love among them.